what's up everyone? So today what I'm going to go through is exactly how to automate all of your social media posts, completely automated. So you don't have to do anything except for wait for the posts to be posted on socials. And you're probably wondering, who is this random guy that I'm watching? So I've actually worked with over 50 different companies as a marketing agency, and we've helped them across a multitude of different industries, ranging from real estate to tree companies to landscapers and franchise consultants and many more industries. And now I'm going to use that expertise that I've achieved and implement it into this system for you guys. Perfect, so let's jump right into it. So you can see right here, we have the trigger as a Slack event. So in this, what this means is we're using a Slack channel as the actual trigger. So for example, if we post an article in here or something online, it'll come through and we'll read that event right away. So after that, we have what's called Perplexity. So this is the AI that'll allow us to summarize the articles that are actually online right now. ChatGPT cannot access the active internet, but Perplexity is that middle ground where it's ChatGPT, but it's able to access the active internet right now. So that's why we're using this, and we're asking it, hey, can you just summarize this article for us? And you do need to set up their API for it, so it's super easy. You just throw in a couple bucks and then you're good to go, right? So we can save that, and then the next thing is the router, so we know exactly how many social media accounts we want, all that kind of fun stuff, right? And what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna start out by messaging the assistant. We're gonna use a very specific assistant to make those social media posts for you. And there's a bunch of different prompts, but I'm just using a basic prompt, and you can see one in here, right? And all you're gonna do is just put in the message, and then the prompting is all on that assistant level. So once that is saved, the next thing is generate an actual image. So we wanna generate, let's say, an image, maybe a certain size. So for example, this one is Instagram. We wanna do a square image, right? So base Instagram post size. So we wanted to do a 1080 by 1080. So all you would do, generate a 1080 by 1080 image on the summary, and then it'll actually generate the image. So if we want to run a test on this, then we gotta let this load real quick. So let's see. It should pop out an image summary of exactly what this story is. So let's see. You can see right here the output, data, and we got a URL. So let's try this URL and see what it actually brought. There we go. That's a very good and very attractive social media post. I mean, people will see this and they'll be like, oh, what is this, right? And they'll try to look more into detail, kind of see what's going on, and then they'll go into the description and actually start reading it. So you can see that's how simple an automated social media post is. And then all you need to do is make different prompts for each of them. So for example, if you want to optimize your Instagram, you're going to find all the good Instagram posts, put that into the background, into this right here, into this assistant part. And you're just going to want to update the prompt, feed it all the best posts, all of that stuff. So you can do the same thing for LinkedIn, Facebook, and X. That video is exactly how to cut out all of your virtual assistants and simplify your day-to-day tasks for all your social media accounts, right? And if you want to build this manually, feel free to build it manually. Or if you want kind of the speed run for it, let me show you this. So we have this thing called blueprints I make, right? And I'm going to import the most recent blueprint that I just kind of went through with you guys. So you can see right here, I'm just going to save it. And simple as that, the entire automation was completely built for me. So if you guys want something like this for yourself, just the blueprint of all of these automations, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll just send it over to you for free. Happy to help. So reach out and we can go from there.